my 15-year-old daughter here, she's cutting in freehand. Let's check and see what kind of job she's doing. Not too bad. That technique. Where'd you learn that?
You.
Oh, good. Looks good. Hello everyone. I'm going to show you real quick how I cut in without using tape. First, the setup I use. This is a Wooster Pelican bucket. Nice thing about that, it has a magnet that holds your brush on the side, and then it can hold your roller, and it's got somewhere to get your paint off your roller. Only downside to this bucket is the well doesn't hold a lot of paint, but it's still very handy. I use it all the time. The brush I'm using is a Purdy Nilex. Actually, the first day I've been using this, and I love it. I've been using a Purdy Clear Cut for years, which is another good brush. But the process here is very simple. You just have to take your time, a little practice. You can do this, and you'll never have to use tape again. Saves you tons of time taping things off and tons of money. And plus, to be honest, the tape doesn't work that well. Paint bleeds in it. So this will be a lot quicker, and you can get your units painted and get them rendered. So all you really need to do, dip your brush in about 1 inch in the paint, knock some off the sides, and then I like to start a few inches out and kind of get the excess off my brush, and then kind of work my way in and just follow the line down. And you come back and brush in that excess. There's a couple different ways. Another way some people do it, they will go about 1/4 inch out and then come back and push that paint in. Both ways work fine. They both work. Just whatever you prefer. After that, then I take a roller and I roll this out. And it's really just to make the area a little wider so I'm not fighting getting in here with a 12 inch or an 18 inch roller. But really the main thing is to get the texture, get the brush marks out as much as possible and get the texture like the rest of the wall. Here I'll show you on this foam outlet too. Same thing. I just like to dab some of the paint off and you go right around it. Not even remove it. The drywall really needs fixed around this thing, but I'm in a hurry. So it's quick. I didn't even have to remove it. Now typically I do remove outlets. Didn't do that. And then just go around it to get your texture of your paint on the wall consistent. So the process along the ceiling is pretty much the same thing as what you do when you're trimming around baseboard. So in the corner, what I do is I start off, put my brush down here, of course dab the excess out, and then push my brush up into the corner. Once I do that, then I can start. Always try to go this way with the brush as opposed to this way, because there's only so much paint you can load in your brush, and this will allow you to get a longer run with the paint you have. So same thing, start down here, and then just follow the line. This. Come in here, get your corners, the brush, and I'll go ahead and do this side. Come in here, get my corner on this side, and then I'll back this one. All right. And then finally, take your roller so you can get your consistency, get the brush lines out and get the same texture on your paint as it will be on the rest of the wall. Get in as close as you can. And that's it. It's that easy to cut in a ceiling without tape as well. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.